You're watching the News Hour Agenda. I'm Padmaja Joshi. In fact, news just coming in. Times Now has accessed WhatsApp conversation which was held between Rhea Chakravarti and Mahesh Bhatt. These chats apparently are from the 8th of June. 8th of June, significant because that is the day that Rhea Chakravarti left the house of Sushant Singh Rajput. This is the day that she walked out. And in some of the chats, I want to bring in Times Now Siddhant, who in fact has accessed these WhatsApp chats. Why don't you take us through the content of these chats, what Rhea Chakravarti and Mahesh Bhatt are saying to each other? Siddhant.
Well, see, Padmaja, there are 3 to 4 big takeaways from these chats. Now, this particular conversation chatting happened after 8th of June when Rhea left Sushant's house, and they were in a live-in relationship. And at that point in time, she texted Mahesh Bhatt. Now, Aisha was Rhea's character's name in the film Jalebi, and Rhea writes to Mr. Bhatt saying that Aisha leaves the house, something like that. And then to which Mr. Bhatt...
in fact, just for the benefit of our viewers, actually the message says, Aisha moves on, sir, with a heavy heart and a sense of relief. Our last call was a wake-up call. You are my angel. You were then and you are now. That's when Mahesh Bhatt replies saying, don't look back. Make it possible what is inevitable. My love to your father. He will be a happy man. Rhea then replies to that message saying, have found some courage, sir. And what you said about my dad that day on the phone pushed me to be strong for him. He sends you love and thanks you for always being so special. That's what the entire gist of the conversation is. In fact, the exact conversation is, if one thing is absolutely clear here, that Mahesh Bhatt was definitely advising Rhea on her relationship.
Well, that's right, Padmaja. I was coming to that. He was constantly in touch with Rhea as far as Rhea and Sushant's relationship is concerned, and he is asking Rhea not to look back. He's also saying that you are like my child. Now, Padmaja, these chats have come out at a time when CBI teams are in Mumbai. Okay, and there have been a lot of allegations on Mr. Mahesh Bhatt, especially that he has been taking interest in Sushant and Rhea's love life. Not just that, he was somebody who had recommended Rhea to take Sushant to a doctor. You remember Mr. Mukesh Bhatt speaking to Times Now on the very first day saying that Sushant had turned Parveen Babi of Bollywood. So this is what Mahesh Bhatt's brother Mukesh Bhatt had to say on the first day on Times Now itself. So there had been several allegations of Mr. Bhatt for intervening in Sushant's love life, for provoking Rhea to do certain things, for always telling Rhea to what to do, what not to do, and this perhaps resulted in a breakup. This is the reason that today these chats have come out, where certain things are clarified also, but at the same time it also establishes the fact that how Mr. Bhatt was indeed in touch with Rhea, that he's the first person. Rhea leaves Sushant's house and he's the first person whom she texts and thanks her for the guidance. At the same time, Mr. Bhatt says that love to your father and more power to you. All these things have been written in the chat. Now the fact here remains that Mr. Bhatt, who is a producer and director of Rhea's film, what was a point that he's taking so much interest in an artist's love life? Why was he constantly guiding Rhea? Who was he to guide Rhea to take Sushant to a doctor? The doctor was recommended by one of the doctors that Sushant consulted, was recommended by Mr. Bhatt. There are a lot of questions, Padmaja, that will surely be raised. Obviously, these chats are the leaks, and these leaks have come out to create certain perception. But I don't think that that perception will definitely get established, because this chat say a lot of things after leaving a house. Yeah, and then Rhea left Sushant's house just a week before Sushant's death. So all these things indeed raise a lot of questions.
Okay, stay with me, Siddhant.